This tutorial review will show you how to make music longer on Instagram story. First of all, I'm going to adding a story. I'm going to capturing a photo for my story. Tapping on the sticker icon at the top and selecting music. Now select the music. And here you will get the music duration. So tap on it. Now you can select from 5 seconds up to 15 seconds. To make your music longer, select the last one, 15 seconds, and tap on done. And this is how we can make music longer on Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.